Cruising on Cespa in my DeLorean. War's over, I'm a piece of Mandalorian. The story is stumped, Star Wars historian. Stephen debate, but they play at Bennigan's. Round renegade, shut up, penetrate.
Hey, welcome to episode 27. 27, can you believe that? Of Adventures in Welding. Pardon my voice, I'm a little under the weather today. But big news, cross your fingers, guys. We might have a sponsor. More details about that later. First, I got an email about the intro to pipe video I did where one of our readers, Brett, pointed out to me that that wasn't pipe, that was tubing. So we're going to redo that today, revisited, with some 2-inch Schedule 40 that I beveled down. And we're going to knock that out. All right? Let's get on with it. First of all, I've got 2 pieces of angle iron TIG welded back to back. That's going to be my pipe holder, placer, thing, whatever you want to call it. We've got our 2 pieces of 2-inch Schedule 40 pipe that are nice and beveled. Like that. And I've got some 3/32 TIG wire that I am going to use as a spacer. Alright, didn't think that out thoroughly. Let's try this again. Take 2. Alright, we got everything set up here. We've got our little 2 pieces of angle iron welded back to back as our pipe holder. We've got our 2 pieces of beveled Schedule 40 2-inch pipe. We've got some 3/32 TIG wire that I'm going to put in here like such. And that's going to be our spacer. Finger here from weldingtipsandtricks.com. Can't be beat. We got our welding machine over here. I'm using a number 17 flex head torch with a 3/32 2% lanthanated tungsten, and I'll be using 3/32 ER70S2 rods. Get my gloves on, get my hood on, and let's get it on. I'm wearing these Black Stallion Mighty Migs from Revco, along with my Revco welding coat, welding jacket, whatever you want to call it. And this little sport cam dealy wobble here with the number 10 lens in it is what I'm going to try and use to get us some arc shots. The tack first, then we'll weld. Time we'll try it from a different angle. Let's pack. was bad. Three, two, one. All right, we're back. Had to regrind my tungsten. Keep in mind, I've only been welding for 3 months, so we're not talking Mr. Pig here. More like Mr. Pig. Oh, there she is, guys. Like I said, I've only started welding at the end of August. So please don't knock me for this being an ugly weld. I think for a novice, it's pretty doggone good. It's lay wire. You know, what can I say?
Packs, got jets. Well, I'm Boba, the